Welcome to 3CIR, where your career in government investigations takes flight. Today, we're exploring the PSP50416 Diploma of Government Investigations. Let's dive in. Aimed at public sector professionals, this course equips you with skills to detect fraud, conduct investigations, and ensure compliance with legislation. You'll become an invaluable asset in local, state, or federal government agencies. With 11 units, including 5 core and 6 elective units, you'll cover areas like investigation processes, fraud control, and compliance management. 3CIR is not just about certifications, it's about empowering your career journey. With our support, you're not just learning, you're evolving professionally. Ready to elevate your career in government investigations? Visit our website and enroll today. Your future in government investigations starts here at 3CIR.